Hopefully he wins it. He's got $20,000 on the line tonight. The day has finally came. Where are we headed?
To Derby.
That's right. We're going to be introducing you guys to Demolition Derby on this channel. We're headed to Heber City, Utah. My buddy Case Barker is going to be in the Wasatch Wipeout Demolition Derby, and we're going up there to help him out. Check this out. We got the chauffeur.
As always.
We got Big Dinsky.
Hey, what's up?
We got the boys.
Hi.
And we got little Adley. We got a full crew. Hillbilly is seriously so excited. He got the CV to work. Anybody out there?
You don't gotta make the noise after every time you let go of that button.
Oh, bull crap. You gotta. Anybody out there? Over. Okay, nobody wants to talk to us. We got the winch box on back. We're going to pick up the skid steer, and we're gonna be using the truck and the skid loader tomorrow to be fixing some cars. It's gonna be fun, exciting, and I cannot wait to show you guys what Demolition Derby is all about. Good morning, world. It's bright and early, and we are off to a Demolition Derby. So I got, who do you know? Hillbilly's out here with me. We're waiting on dinner for a minute. He's gonna be coming out and joining us. We're gonna go grab us some breakfast and get over to the arena. Last night, Case ran his heat. He made it through, so we've got a few things we gotta fix on his car, make sure that thing's ready to go to the finals. We're gonna try to help out other people in the pits with the tow truck and with the winch. I'm gonna try to explain this Demolition Derby thing the best I can so you guys can understand it, and we're gonna take you along with the journey. I found a dinner. So it's been well over a year since the last time we've even been to a derby, so I'm way excited for today. I usually don't get the bug until about end of June-ish. Here we are into July, so I'm pretty excited. What do you think, Hillbilly? Should we build us a car?
Two of them, one for me and one for you.
After this video, what do you guys think? Should we build me and Hillbilly a derby car, or just me? The way a Demolition Derby works is you have to go through a heat race. If you win your heat, they take the top 3 out of that to go to the main event. Main event is where you win all the money. They take it down to the very last car running, so whoever makes the last hit wins the show. Anyway, so we're gonna stop over to Maverick, grab ourselves some snacks for the day, and we're gonna head to the arena. All right, so we made it to the arena. We're gonna grab the cat skid loader. We're gonna get the winch box off of the tow truck and get all set up so we can start fixing these cars. It's gonna be a good day.
Very good day.
So what we're doing here with the tow truck, we're gonna turn it sideways right here and use this side puller, and the winch box right there, that's gonna be on the skiddy. It's gonna be the derby car frame rack.
That's right. We're gonna get things pulled out. We're gonna show you guys how we're gonna use the tow truck and the winch box to get these cars straight. We gotta get as many cars fixed as we can so they can get out there and hopefully win. I mean, we want our buddy Case to win, but we'll help other people too.
Oh, look how strong he is. Show your guns.
Now I'll get a tow truck in position.
We're gonna get this trunk all set. So we're gonna back it up to the truck, tie off the lowers, bring the winch up over the top and grab it with J-hooks, and we're gonna bring it up like that. Hillbilly knows what's up. When he comes by at dinner, see if Case notices the sticker. He heard me.
Notice what? This?
What?
Robby Layton sticker?
No, you're not supposed to.
I noticed it already first thing this morning.
Isn't it beautiful?
It is.
All right, so we're gonna get this all hooked up and then we're gonna get that trunk all set. So now we got the V bridle underneath, well, the chain bridle underneath hooked to both frame rails. We're pulling tension and we're gonna come right through the inside of the cab, grab both sides of this bumper, and we're gonna roll this trunk up. You'll see, it'll work out great. Yep, we gotta go on the inside of the strut, right here.
Do we want it right there? Then it'll pull that in.
And I'm gonna get in there, I'll raise it up. I'm gonna set it to where the tongs hit your bumper.
Okay.
And then we'll pre-spool it through, grab it, and then you basically got to be the conductor while he's working, you telling me what to do.
Okay, this will be cable in, cable out.
I'll try to remember that.
It's easy.
Okay, so we're gonna put the winch boxed fork right on this bumper so that our cable is up top so it pulls and misses this gas tank. Sweet, well that was easier than I thought. Let's go check it out. My job here is done. Time to go home and relax. Okay, so what are you thinking? I think if we pull pressure as you're beating, it'll help.
Let's get that skid loader with its bucket. get like a 4x4 right here, around the back of the bucket to the bumper. It'll go down here, up there.
Let's put a 4x4 here and use my deck. Push down on it.
Lift the truck.
Yeah.
Use the truck as
Push
well.
this down.
Okay.
That's heavier than the skid loader.
All right, so this is the pits of the Derby. I'll see as I walk, you'll see everybody what's going on, and there's a lot of work going on in the pits.
Hey, everybody in place? Okay, so what we did is we tried pulling everything with the winch and we just couldn't get a good anchor point. So the key to moving metal is pressure being held to release pressure or to push. We used the bed to pull off the cage and we used the stinger to push it into the trunk. We got that bumper right where we want it. We're gonna get some bumper straps. We're gonna weld those to the trunk lid. What a bumper strap is it's gonna hold all of that into a nice little box. So when Case is out there rallying all these other guys, they can run into this and it's just gonna box itself in. All right, so what we're trying to do is actually control where the metal goes. So Case just got that bulge and pushed it in so that when it gets hit, it sucks metal in instead of pushes it out. So if you can control the way this thing's gonna move when it gets hit, you have a lot better chances of winning. And that's why we're here, is to win. Look at that Kansas farm boy. Look closer. Yeah, who do you think hit harder, Case or Ryan?
Tell us in the comments.
Cleaning up the paint so that way he has a clean surface to weld to so it'll actually burn.
Then we'll get more pressure on it, weld it up.
So guess what? I caught Dinner doing what he does on the job.
Dinner's asleep.
All right, so this heat is getting miserable. Just about got the car done. I like to work in the mornings, get all the hot stuff, everything done before the heat really kicks in. So we've got all the plates on the car, we've got the rear bumper all set, and we got the motor running again. We got a couple more hours. We're gonna take a break, wait for the Derby to start, and then we're gonna watch the Grudge Match and a couple other heats, and then it's the finals. So we're gonna be watching the 314 car. That's Case Barker. Hopefully he wins it. He's got $20,000 on the line tonight, and he's gonna win it. Well, we hope. I'm gonna get out of the sun for a little bit. I know Dinner's sweating.
It's hot.
Luckily, we got a lot of stuff done. We're gonna go enjoy the rest of the day outside of the heat. All right, so Case just got back from the drivers meeting. What that is where all the drivers go and they have a meeting and they talk about how the Derby's gonna be ran and what the officials expect. So he's got one thing we gotta hurry and cut and then he's ready to go. We got burgers cooking over on the grill. Gonna get all fed up so we can go to the Derby and watch some carnage. Pizza box for our steak. Nice. This is how we do it at the Derbies. Kansas feedlot grown beef.
Look at that.
Heck yeah. All right, so we just got done watching the Grudge Match. What that is it's like a last chance to get to the finals. So anybody that didn't make it out of their heat can go into the Grudge Match and compete to get into the main event. So they took the top 3, got them all drug out of there, got the arena all cleared out. Now we're headed in to watch the wire class. Basically, they knock out all the windows and they use wire. This number 9 wire for fencing. They wire the doors shut and then they go out there and they wreck cars. So let's go take a look at that.
If you know what a chain and bang is, it's like a chain and bang but with wire. A chain and bang is when they break out all the windows, gut it, like all the plastics and everything, and just chain the doors shut, and then go out and wreck it. They've gone away a lot from that because it's not safe, but there's still people that do it.
It's definitely a good time, so let's get in there and go watch it.
3, 2, 1, go!
Car
52, you have 50. First place. All right, so it is the next day. Last night, Case won the Wasatch Wipeout in this car right behind us. It was chaotic, a lot of stuff going on. We didn't film anything afterwards, but the point of the Demolition Derby is to be the last person to make a hit, and that's exactly what he did. So, we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, we appreciate you. If you enjoyed this, go check out another one. Thanks for watching. I think I got the bug again. It's time to derby.